Chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else will do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up? What's poppin'? It's that girl Jay. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jay back with another video, and today we are making tacos. Right now I'm just prepping the shells, and now we're getting on to starting to prep the meat and season it and all that good stuff. So you guys, right now I am seasoning the meat using taco seasoning. All of these products came from Aldi. You just pour the whole packet all over the meat and it gives it a nice flavorful taco taste. That you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my... Now that the meat has begun to cook and started getting done, we are starting to pour the beans inside the bowl and just let them get warm because they're already cooked. Alright, this is the finishing product. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.